So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. It's going to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. Hopefully this will not fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.